Hi there, students. To agnize. To agnize. British spelling with an S, American spelling with a Z. Okay, this is a very unusual word. It's not used. It's probably archaic, although I have noticed a slight recovery in the usage of this word. To agnize, to acknowledge that something is true, to recognize. So the chairman of the meeting agnized my right to be at the meeting. To agnize, to recognize the existence of, to acknowledge. He agnized that I had a point, although he did not completely agree with me. Yeah, this is like to acknowledge, to recognize that something is true, to admit that something is true. Okay, so they the researchers agnized that they would need a lot more money if they were to finish this investigation successfully. Okay, so it's talking about recognizing that something is true, to be aware of something. I agnize that I am getting older and that my mind does not work as quickly and as rapidly as it used to. So I acknowledge, I admit, yeah, I say that this is true. People need to agnize their faults. They need to agnize when they are wrong, because I think people find it very difficult to agnize mistakes or flaws in their character. I think people find it almost impossible to agnize when they've made a mistake. But if we can learn to agnize when we've made a mistake, then it will help us to progress, it will help us to learn, and it will help us not repeat the same mistake again. Okay, so to recognize the existence of something, to recognize the truth of something, to recognize the reality of it. Okay, so to acknowledge, to recognize the authority or the right to do something. The board of directors agnized that they had made a mistake. Okay, the government agnized that inflation was rising rapidly. Okay, so to agnize, to admit something is true, to recognize, to acknowledge. Let's see, formality. This is a very formal word. Most people are not going to know it. So 7.5 informality. Use it in a semi-formal or formal writing. As I said before, S for British spelling, Z for American spelling. And then as to origin, it comes from Latin, agnoscere, to acknowledge, to recognize. And notice agnize, it comes from the English word recognize or cognize, to understand or to believe. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating. That would be one way to acknowledge the contribution that I make. Subscribe to my channel and I will see you soon. Bye for now. To acknowledge.